Hey guys, so I wanted to get on here quickly to share some exciting news with you guys. We now have the official first event invitations from Apple. Apple's first event of the year will be happening on March 4th at 9 a.m. in New York City. Now, this event will also be hosted in London as well as Shanghai. This is the official invitation. You're invited. Please join us in person for a special Apple experience in New York City. Now, we know there's several products Apple could be announcing soon, so I wanted to talk about everything we can expect in today's video, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, one of the products Apple could be launching during this event is the iPhone 17e. Now, last year, Apple announced the iPhone 16e several months after the launch of the iPhone 16 lineup, and this year it looks like history is going to repeat itself. We're going to see a new iPhone 17e with key upgrades missing from the 16e. So for starters, an improved camera system, rumored that the iPhone Air camera system could be coming to the iPhone 17e, as well as MagSafe wireless charging. Remember, the iPhone 16e does not feature MagSafe wireless charging. In the front, we could see dynamic island instead of the notch. There's also internal improvements. Apple could bring the Apple C1X modem over from the iPhone Air to the iPhone 17e as well, improving the performance of network and of course battery life. And Apple's A19 chip could be powering this device, and the starting price will most likely be $599. This will be Apple's entry-level device for the iPhone 17 series. Again, the iPhone 17e could be one of those products launched during this event. Now, during this event, Apple will most likely announce new MacBooks. Apple has been rumored for quite some time to be working on a low-cost entry-level MacBook, and here's what we know so far. Now, according to various reports, the machine may feature a 12 to 13-inch display, powered by Apple's A18 Pro chip and not the M series of chips, less than $1,000. And as we take a look at the Apple logo colors on the invitation, now oftentimes the colors on the Apple logo sometimes match the colors of the products. So according to various reports, Apple could introduce new colors such as light yellow, light green, blue, perhaps even a pink alongside silver and gray as per usual. So yeah, this would be a fun, colorful machine for under $1,000, and I think this would be a home run if Apple does announce this new MacBook. Now, during this event, Apple could also be announcing new iPads. It is rumored that Apple has been working on an entry-level iPad with upgraded internals. This will be the base entry-level device, and if that's the case, these new colors on the Apple logo, yellow, green, and blue, could be featured alongside silver and gray for the new 12th generation iPad with upgraded internals, Apple A18 chip with Apple Intelligence, and so forth. So I'll keep you guys posted. No one really knows exactly which products will be announced. Just keep in mind, these are the products that are imminent and Apple could be launching during the March 4th event. I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.